So the DLC characters have been delayed, and no, Xeno will not be one of them. Xeno is not be a fighter in Smash Bros. Which he's still more likely than these five characters. Yes, there's five. I already went over five characters that will not be in Smash Bros. Ultimate Fighters Pass 2, but there's a still whole swath of characters I can go over. Of course, not gonna count the characters that seem unlikely, but still could be possible, because there's Cosmos from Xenosaga. The first character is Jak and Daxter. These characters are PlayStation, old PlayStation games, and first of all, Jak and Daxter has not really come out. There hasn't been a new Jak and Daxter game on the PS4. There was a re-release of the original games, but there was no new games. Second, it's owned by Sony, and of course Sony hates Nintendo more than Microsoft. Microsoft is willing to let Banjo in Smash Bros. So Master Chief can probably be in Smash Bros. But Jak and Daxter will not be appearing in Super Smash Bros. Because it's a PlayStation property. It's not a Nintendo character. I know that doesn't apply anymore, but it's inspired by PlayStation. That's why I'm telling you. And Sony will not let any of their characters in Super Smash Bros. Next character is another Pokemon, and that is Snom. Snom is one of the newest Pokemon from Pokemon Sword and Shield. Snom would have one of the worst movesets in the game. He would also be one of the slowest fighters in the game because he's just a bug. He's just another worm. That's basically, he's a bug. He's a caterpillar, basically. And yeah, what's Snom's only moves? Well, it was the awesome moveset of Power Stone and Struggle Bug. It does also one of these moves. Snore, Protect, Icy Wind, Icicle Sphere, Attract, and various other moves. Actually, there's multiple moves they can actually learn. But why would he have Snom? Why would he have Snom over any fully evolved Pokemon? Yes, even when some of the worst Scour Pokemon make more sense than a bug. Fracky, which is one of the worst middle-aged stage evolutions, at least has moveset potential. I know it's an ugly Pokemon, Fracky, but at least has a better moveset potential than Snom, because Snom only has 2 moves. It also would have no recovery either. So yeah, Snom is not appearing in Super Smash Bros. At all. The next character is Freddy Fazbear. People say, but he might, and I know, and yeah, Mii costumes do not count as playable characters, okay? Same thing with Sans. People said, oh, Sans is a playable character because he has a Mii costume then. Then I guess Geno and King K. Rool are playable characters in Super Smash Bros. 4. But this, FNAF being, but Freddy Fazbear being a playable character taking a slot on the roster is not going to happen. Where would the moveset be? Okay, where would the moveset be? Oh, it wouldn't have a moveset because FNAF doesn't really, all you do is jump scare people, okay? Yeah, FNAF will not be appearing in Super Smash Bros. Anytime soon. Next character is Ugandan Knuckles. I know everybody will be disappointed to see this, but Ugandan Knuckles will not be appearing, no, not Ugly Dolls. No, Ugandan Knuckles will not be appearing in Super Smash Bros. Yes, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but this character has been dead since 2018. Why would Sakurai put an outdated meme as a playable character in Super Smash Bros? It makes zero sense to put this character in Smash Bros. Goku is on the higher level of power ability than a dead meme based off a Sonic character that is already an assist trophy. So yeah, Ugandan Knuckles is not going to be playable in Super Smash Bros. And the 5th character, who is definitely never going to be in Super Smash Bros. As DLC, is Big Sungus. If we want to talk about characters that are not going to be appearing in Smash Bros. Ultimate, look at Big Sungus. It's literally Bugs Bunny, but it's a Bugs Bunny meme. First of all, Bugs Bunny is not a video game character. Second of all, Big Sungus is a dead meme. Of course, Big Sungus is more relevant than Ugandan Knuckles, but yeah, Big Sungus is not going to appearing in Smash Bros. And of course, we're going to have a bonus one. Keeping up with the dead memes, the next character is Bowsette. Nintendo even acknowledged this character isn't a real character. Bowser will never appear in Smash Bros. Because we already have Bowser. Basically, she would be an echo of Peach, but Bowser is not a Nintendo, is not even an official character made by Nintendo, and Nintendo said that Bowser doesn't even exist as a character, and it was only made up by people. Thus, if you gone to Knuckles and Big Sungus, Bowser will be going into the list of dead 2018 memes that will not be appearing in Super Smash Bros. And that's basically it. Goodbye.